Good morning, everyone. Tafim Hawk. Unmute yourself. Tafim Hawk, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, why?
Yes. Start the prayer.
Turn your hand, close your eyes. Oh God, help us to be good, to
Hey,
do to
slowly,
others.
slowly, slowly, slowly. Oh God.
Oh God, help us to be good, to do to others, as we should, not to hate, but to love. Send us peace from above me.
Slowly, slowly. Okay. Tafim. Slowly, slowly.
Okay,
Join
ma'am.
your hands. Close your eyes. Oh God, help us to be good, to do to other as we should, not to hate, but to love. Send us peace from above. Amen. Say like this way. Okay. Okay. So there is an announcement. Everyone listen to me carefully. Everyone listen to me carefully. Yama Musical Instrument Certification Program. Okay, we will say the Yama Musical Instrument Certification Program. We would be starting as 1 year musical instrument program from standard 3 to standard 12. Everyone listen to me carefully. Everyone listen to me carefully. We would be starting a 1 year musical instrument program from standard 3 to standard 11. Once in a week after the regular scheduled classes. Once in a week. Okay. After the regular scheduled classes. Classes por hobe. ঠিক আছে? Interested parents may enroll their words name against the payment of rupees 900 and who would be provided with a recorder and 3 books. Okay. Training fees rupees 200 per month. Training fees rupees 200 per month. Okay. So this is an 1 year certification program curated by Yama, and the students would give a performance at the end of the year. Register your willingness to let your child witness the magic of music in their life. Register korte hobe, link tomar chat option e দেওয়া রয়েছে, রেজিস্টার করতে হবে, ঠিক আছে? click link to register link already. The school has already given the register link, so everybody must register. Everybody who are willing to join, they are registered their name, and for details call the number has already, the phone number has already given. Anyone, if you have any queries, then call that number. Okay, 799-225-7022. Call that number. Okay, 799-225-7022. Call that number if you have any queries about the program. Okay, so everyone open your I will clear all your doubts. No need to raise your hands now, because I'm starting this chapter. I'm starting a new chapter, so just down your hands. I will clear all your doubts after the class. Now down your hands. Okay, everyone, open your English literature book. Open your English literature book. chapter 7. Literature book, chapter 7. A butterfly smile. A butterfly smile. Okay. This is a short story. A butterfly smile. This is a short story written by Mathangi Subramaniam. Okay. Mathangi Subramaniam is written by, the butterfly smile is written by Mathangi Subramaniam. Where have you seen butterflies the most? In your garden. Where have you seen the butterflies? The butterflies, you will see the butterfly in the garden or somewhere else. Can you guess how the butterfly helps to protect the environment? Can you guess how the butterfly helps to protect the environment? Read the story to find out more. Okay, so we will start the story. Line up, class. Let's go to the park. Laila Miss called out. Laila Miss called out. Line up, class. Let's go to the park. Laila Miss called out. Laila Miss called the students. Line up, class. Let's go to the park. The children held hands as they chattered away. Chattered means spoke about unimportant matters. কিচির মিচির কচর কচর করা, ঠিক আছে? Spoke about unimportant matters. So the children held hands as they chattered away. Kavya stood by herself. The one of the character, that is name is Kavya. Kavya stood by herself. As they started to work, Laila Miss asked, does anyone know what a caterpillar becomes when it grows up? Does anyone know? Kavya stood by herself. When they started to work, Laila Miss asked, does anyone know what a caterpillar becomes when it grows up? The Miss asked to the student that does anyone know the caterpillar, how the caterpillar becomes when it grows up? How the caterpillar sees, how the caterpillar look like when it grows up. Kavya's heart jumped. She knew the answer. Should she speak up? Kavya and her family had just moved to Bengaluru from their village. Kavya and her family had just moved to Bengaluru from their village. They lived at the construction site. Construction site means place where the building is being built. Where the building is being built. So Kavya, where Kavya stayed? Kavya lived in the construction site where her parents worked. It was hard living. মানে থাকতে খুব কষ্ট. It was hard living in a half finished house. Kavya's house is not finished yet. Okay, Kavya's house has not finished yet. So they live in the half finished house. Kavya and her family had lived in the half finished house. The air smelled of smoke and the honking traffic made it hard to sleep. Honking means loud traffic. The traffic sound is very loud. So the honking traffic made it hard to sleep.
The towering buildings, towering means very high. The towering buildings, zooming cars, and busy people made her feel small and afraid. The towering buildings, zooming cars means moving very fast. The cars which is moving very fast, this is called zooming cars. The car moving very fast. The cars are moving very fast. These cars are called zooming cars. And busy people made her feel small and afraid. Kavya had been going to school for a week. She still hadn't spoken to anyone. Kavya had been going to school for a week, but she couldn't speak with anyone. What if they made fun for an accent or teased her because she had never been to school before? So she thought that she had been teased by the students of the school. She had been teased by the students of the school. She thought that. That's why she couldn't speak anything. She thought that she had been teased. Accent means a way of speaking a language that shows the country or region someone comes from. Okay, so a way of speaking a language that shows the country or region someone comes from. So everywhere the different accent. We have an accent, and in the city Midnapur, there are in Bardhaman, so there are the different accent. Okay, so different accent. There lived a people, they have different accent. So Kavya was afraid to talk with anyone because her accent was different. So that she thought that she was teased by the students of the school. Kavya took a deep breath and raised her hand. In a noisy city like Bengaluru, she couldn't be quiet forever. Besides, Laila Miss had a kind smile. Kavya took a deep breath and raised her hand. In a noisy city like Bengaluru, she couldn't be quiet forever. Besides, Laila Miss had a kind smile. When Kavya raised her hand, Laila Miss had a kind smile, because Laila Miss find that the Kavya raised her hand, because Kavya was stood very silently. When Kavya raised her hand, then Laila Miss had a kind smile. When a caterpillar grows up, it becomes a butterfly. Kavya said that when a caterpillar grows up, it becomes a butterfly. When caterpillar grows up, it becomes a butterfly. That's right. Laila Miss smiled. And Laila Miss said that that's right. You are absolutely right. You were saying absolutely right. Caterpillars are only caterpillars for a few weeks. Caterpillars are only caterpillars for a few weeks. Kavya said they spent their whole time eating leaves. They must get very big, said Mary, her classmate. Then one of Kavya's classmates said that they must get very big. Said Mary. Yes, they do. After they eat and eat and eat, caterpillars become bigger and bigger. After they eat and eat and eat, the caterpillars become bigger and bigger. So the caterpillar, when they eating very much মানে very huge amount of food, they are growing very big. Okay, so they are become bigger and bigger. When they grow big enough, they find a place on the sides of plants and weave a cocoon around themselves, said Kavya. Cocoon means a cover of silky threads made by young insects to rest in while they change into an adult. So when caterpillars become bigger and bigger, they find a place, bigger place, they find a bigger place on the sides of plants and weave, তারা কি করে weave করে cocoon মানে cocoon বানায়, ঠিক আছে, around themselves, said কাব্যা. কাব্যা বললো যে তারা কি করে যখন বড় হয়ে যায় তখন এই প্ল্যান্টের ওখানে ওরা একটা cocoon তৈরি করে. cocoon means a cover of silky threads made by young insects to rest in while they change into an adult. তারা কি হয় অ্যাডাল্টে মানে চাইল্ড ছিল, চাইল্ড থেকে অ্যাডাল্টে পরিণত হবে, তার মানে ছোট থেকে বড় হবে. That's correct, Laila Miss said. Laila Miss বলছে yes, absolutely correct, you are very right. They stay in their cocoons for a few weeks and slowly change their form. When they come out, they are butterflies. So when they come out from cocoons, they become a butterfly. They are called butterfly. Okay, so they stay in their cocoons, and when they came out from their cocoons, they are called butterfly. That time they have not been called the caterpillar, they are called butterfly. Look, we are at the park. Mary cried out. Kavya gasped. The park was full of butterflies. The park was full of, they are standing in the midst of the park. So Kavya said that the park was full of butterflies. Blue butterflies, the color of rivers. What is the color of river? Blue. So blue butterflies indicate the color of rivers. Blue butterflies indicates the color of river. Blue butterfly indicates the color of river. Yellow butterfly indicates the color of sunlight. What is the color of sunlight? The color of sunlight is yellow. So the yellow butterfly indicates the color of sunlight. And orange butterflies, the ripe of apricots. So the color of ripe apricots. Black and white butterflies, the color of starry skies. The color of starry skies. So black and আকাশের যখন কি রং হয়, কালো সাদা, যখন আকাশ ফুল অফ ক্লাউড, মেঘে ভরে যায়, তখন the sky is look like a black. So the black and white, this indicates the color of skies, starry skies. Starry skies. These were the colors Kavya missed from her village. Black and white butterflies, the colors of starry sky. Sorry, the black and white butterflies means হচ্ছে যখন আকাশটা তারায় ভরে থাকে, সরি, যখন আকাশটা কালো, আকাশে ছোট ছোট স্টার থাকে, তারা থাকে, তখন ব্ল্যাক এন্ড হোয়াইট, ঠিক আছে, ব্ল্যাক এন্ড হোয়াইট স্কাই, ব্ল্যাক এন্ড হোয়াইট স্কাই. This indicates the starry skies, মানে যখন আকাশটা তারায় ভরে থাকে। দিস ইজ কল্ড ব্ল্যাক অ্যান্ড হোয়াইট স্কাই। These were the colors Kavya missed from her village. She felt her heart flutter. Flutter means fly with short, quick movements. Flutter means fly with short, quick movements. So, these were the colors Kavya missed from her village. These were the colors Kavya missed her village. Okay, she felt her heart flutter. She felt fly with short, quick movements. She felt that she flies to the village, okay, to the village of Kavya. সে ভাবছে যদি আমি একবার দৌড়ে গিয়ে উড়ে গিয়ে আমার ভিলেজে চলে যেতাম তাহলে আমি এগুলো আবার দেখতে পেতাম। তার ভিলেজের কথা মনে পড়ে যাচ্ছে। she remembers the incident, that she remembers the images of the village. Every year, many butterflies travel thousands of kilometers to come to this park. প্রত্যেক বছর কি হয়? Every year, many butterflies travel thousands of kilometers to come to this park. প্রচুর হাজার কিলোমিটার ঘুরে তারপরে পার্কে আসে। Come to this park. They come here for more food. Why they come here? They come here for more food. Better weather and a safe place to lay eggs. Better, it is a safe place to lay eggs. It is the safe place to lay eggs. Laila Miss said that this journey is called migration. Migration means the movement of animals or birds from one place to another. The movements of migration means the movements of birds or animals from one place to another. This is called migration. Migration means এক জায়গা থেকে আরেক জায়গায় যাওয়া। Migrated birds. Birds কেও আমরা কি করি দেখতে পাই। এক জায়গা থেকে যখন ধরো একটা তোমাদের বাড়ির সামনে ধরো কোনো ঝিল আছে, ঝিলেতে তুমি শীতকালে প্রচুর পাখি দেখতে পাও, তখন কিন্তু অন্য সময় দেখতে পাও না। তখন তুমি কি বলবে? These are called migrated birds because তারা ওই শীতকালটায় ওই সময় ওখানে ওরা আসে। These are called migrated birds. This is called migration. Migration means the movement of animals or birds or animals or birds from one place to another. The movements of birds and animals from one place to another. Okay. So I will stop here. Everyone read carefully. Okay, everyone read this chapter carefully. A butterfly smile. Everyone read today. Okay, today first you read, and then you have any problem, then tell me the next class. Okay, tell me your doubts in the next class. But first you read carefully at your home. First you read carefully and you understood, okay, মানে understood the chapter. First you ভালো করে চ্যাপ্টারটা বোঝো, পড়ো, তারপর আমায় বলবে। You have to clear, I have to clear all your doubts next day. Okay, first you read carefully. And also the meaning, meaning of the chapter. You read the meaning of the chapter. Also you read the meaning. Read. Don't sit idly. Everyone read. Yes, Audrija.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, please say me the meaning of wait, ma'am. I'm showing you. Can you see?
Just wait. Spelling. Tell me the spelling.
Towering.
What?
Towering.
Oh, acha. Towering. Towering means very high.
Okay, ma'am. And this CHATTERD.
Hmm.
In
What?
the first para.
First para. Chattered. Chattered হচ্ছে spoke
Yes.
about unimportant matters. Spoke about
Oh.
unimportant matters.
Okay, ma'am. I have no doubts, ma'am, now.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Sajad Al Habib.
नहीं रेस्पॉन्स करे कम से कम 10-20 बंदे हैं ना हमारी टीम में 20 में से कम से 18 बंदे तो सुनेंगे ना इसके उत्तर के बारे में वही काफी है
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is the meaning of cocoon?
Cocoon means a cover of silky threads made by young insects to rest in while they change into an adult. Okay. Guti poka. Okay, first Sajad, Sharonna, Ahornish, Prashmita, first you read today, okay? First you read today, then I will clear all your doubts next day. First you read. আজকে ভালো করে বাড়িতে পড়ো, তারপর আমাকে জিজ্ঞাসা করবে। ওকে?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
I have read tomorrow.
Yes, I think.
Monday.
Okay, just wait. I will give your attendance. Just wait. Arnav Bhuiya present. Yes. Meherin Haq. Okay. Okay, so everyone, bye bye.